Here's the Concord Decorama. It's installed in a restaurant at Ananda Village. I've seen this one on the first time I've been to this place. This is my third time being here. It's a neat finish, not common at all. Yeah, this is Ananda's where my friends go. My friend has a Hunter Passport 3. That is in the living room. The chateau and the garage. It's pretty unique. It's pretty cool. And I'm not with my friends because they went off for college, but it brings memories. But they will come back in the summer. At least my friend's dad still goes here, and there's a veteran of the place. Pretty cool. In the middle